Chalk this up as one more feather in the cap of the president and his support staff for scoring high, or less than half a percentage point shy of a perfect mark in the DBM's performance review of all government agencies last year. And even better, the Presidential Communications Office, or PCO, also received a very satisfactory mark for its disbursement and utilization of its 2024 allocation, as we hear the full report from our Harley Valbuena.
Under the leadership of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., the Office of the President got a very satisfactory rating in the 2024 Agency Performance Review of the Department of Budget and Management, or DBM. This is the assessment of efficiency of budget utilization and execution of all departments and agencies of the government. Under the report, also known as Budget ng Bayan Monitor, OP recorded a 4.53% score, close to a perfect score of 5%. Its fund disbursement rate reached 97%, equivalent to 9.4 billion pesos from its 12.4 billion pesos total 2024 budget. Its obligated funds is at 78.2%, while 21.8% is unobligated.
The budget ng Bayan Monitor stands as a reflection of the government's collective commitment to ensure that every peso entrusted to the government is spent not only with care but with purpose, so that it truly transforms the lives of our people.
Meanwhile, the Presidential Communications Office, or PCO, also got a very satisfactory rating with an obligation rate of 92.2%. Very satisfactory rating was also given to the Office of the Vice President. Amid anomalies in flood control projects, the Department of Public Works and Highways was still able to get a satisfactory or passing mark. With 1.402 trillion pesos total 2024 budget, 60.7% or 750 billion pesos were disbursed. 1.236 trillion pesos were obligated, while 165 billion pesos were unobligated. The Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD, got the lowest unobligated funds rate by percentage, followed by the Department of the Interior and Local Government, Department of Energy, Department of Science and Technology, and Department of Education. To prevent anomalies and irregularities, Budget Secretary Amenah Pangandaman will continue with on-site visitations of key projects of the government, especially those under flood control and transportation.
Personal na din po natin na ininspeksyon dahil hindi naman nakikita lang sa papel ang tunay na nangyayari sa ating mga proyekto. At nais po talaga natin sa DBM na bawat budget ay mauwi sa inaasahang resulta at magatid ito ng maginhawang buhay para sa ating mga kababayan.
Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.